We are on a mission today. And it's a big one. We're doing performance testing, but not 0 to 100, not top speed, 0 to 100, 0. The complete sentence of performance. Acceleration, aerodynamics, high-speed stability, braking control, and that little bit of calm in between. Few cars have even attempted this test, but never has a family SUV dared to even try. And that's what makes today so significant. The start line. Poised, restless, the BE6 is ready to pounce.
Making a car like the BE6 took guts. A design that looks like it's escaped from a supercar sketchbook, yet somehow it's ended up accessible without supercar money. They didn't just style it boldly, they built an entire new EV platform underneath it with technology that hasn't existed in a Mahindra before. That kind of ambition usually comes with a safety net or a price tag. This one comes with conviction. And that's where Mahindra's guts meets trust. Two things I'm going to need today.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Getting a family SUV ready for a run like this sounds dramatic. It isn't. Check the tires, top the batteries, find a safe restricted test track, set up proper timing and recording equipment. And then for me, have the guts to go for it. And I have to admit, I have plenty of nerves to shake off. The Mahindra, calm, collected, restless almost. Ready. And that comes from truly believing in what you've built. Time for me to put my trust in the BE6.
And that's 100 kmph, but that's just the first hurdle.
Of many, because this isn't about peak numbers. It's about what happens when everything is pushed all at once. Getting to 200 kmph, aerodynamics matters, handling matters, getting back to zero, brake bite matters, stability matters more than courage ever will. Power gets you to the headline, engineering gets you back safely. This is a test of the whole car, not just the fast parts.
Now we're entering the banking at 150 kmph. This takes a lot of skill and guts to keep that throttle pinned all the way through.
A lot went into this. Calculations, planning, checking the data logging equipment, where to start the run from, how much space would we need for the braking, practice runs, and crucial advice from the people who know this track like the back of their hands. Lots of parts that all had to come together for that one defining moment.
96, 97, 98, 99, 200. Brake, 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 brake.
V-Box,
Check.
track,
Track's good.
GoPro,
GoPros are rolling.
okay, we're good to go.